So, recently I got a bunch of NYX products that I want to test out today. They sent me this cute Halloween themed box, and I have a bunch of products in here. I'm not gonna test them all today, but I'm gonna use some products in here to create this colorful look. So let's get into it. My eyes are already primed, and the first product that I'm gonna use today is the I Know That's Bright palette from the Ultimate Eyeshadow Palettes from NYX Cosmetics. To be completely honest with you, usually NYX palettes in the past have not blown my mind in any way, but this one might be one of my favorites that I've tried from them. I'm gonna start with the lime yellow, this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it with the Morphe 506. Oh, now you're shining. Usually I'm talking to the moon, but today I'm talking to the sun, apparently. And that is gonna go in the inner corner of my eye. And as you can see, it's really pigmented. It has a little bit of fallout. That's why I'm doing my eyes first. I mean, always when I'm trying out a new palette, I do my eyes first because I don't know what to expect. And with this one, it was a good decision. I'm gonna build some sort of a transition between the shades. So next I'm gonna use this orangey, peachy shade that blends really well into the yellow. Whenever I'm doing a colorful look, in my mind I refer to the color wheel. I did some videos on this subject. I'm gonna link one of them on the screen just in case you've been struggling with colorful looks and you don't know where to start. I think that could be pretty helpful. This time I'm using a Sigma E25. And I'm starting at the base of my lashes, tapping it and bringing it all the way up to my crease. Next I will be taking the pink, this one, the lighter pink. I am using another Morphe 506. I have two Morphe 506s because it's really useful. It's one of my favorite brushes. I really like the shape and the fact that it's not too large. I do prefer smaller blending brushes like this. And again, starting at the base of my lashes, bringing it up towards my crease. But I make sure to place the majority of the pigment closer to my lash line. And then I actually wipe my brush a little bit and blend my crease with whatever is left on my brush, because I'm not really gonna use a transition shade today, so I just try to fade the colors into my skin. And the last color is gonna be this red. It's a bright coral red shade. I'm not sure if it's a true red or like a coral. It looks like something in between. And that is gonna go right on my outer corner. Again, tapping it at the base of my lashes. This is a lot more vibrant than the previous shades that I used. So I'm being very careful with it. And then again, bringing it up and out. So I'm placing it in some sort of an angle, like a V shape, in my outer corner. And then very gently blending it outwards. And then I'm taking a little bit more of the pink to re-intensify it, because I kind of covered it. And what I want to do is take a clean blending brush and use it into my crease, like really high up in the crease, just to make sure that the shades are really well blended into my skin. Then I will be doing this graphic liner with a blue eyeliner. It's the Vivid Brights, again from NYX, in the shade Cobalt Crush. I do like the formula of these shades. They don't crack, they are vibrant. It's a very good option for colorful eyeliners. And I'll be starting in the inner corner, but I will be doing kind of like a floating liner because I'm gonna do the black liner a little bit lower. This blue part is supposed to be higher, like on top of the black eyeliner. So I'm imagining how I will do the black eyeliner, and then I'm placing the blue above that. Do I make sense? I hope I do. And I do that because, as you can see, the result is not really perfect, but I'm gonna fix it with the black eyeliner underneath it. It's gonna also help me clean up the underneath part of the blue as well. then I'm gonna do a crease, an eyeliner in my crease. I have to really focus on this. I'm picking up more product as I go. I'm gonna carefully extend this. A tip for hooded eyes: if you want a crease eyeliner but you don't have a very visible crease, like you have skin folding over your crease, you can imagine like a fake crease that's higher than your actual crease. Again, I hope I make sense. Also, I have this set that's supposed to be an eyeliner and lash set, and the eyeliner is supposed to have lash glue in it. So in theory you would draw a wing liner and then pop the lash on top of it without using glue. I tried it, didn't really manage to do that, and I don't really have the time to struggle with it today. I don't know, it's just not that effortless as I thought it would be. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but again, I don't have the time to figure it out today, so I will just be using regular lash glue, and I will use this eyeliner in the set as well as the lash in the set. But before, I will cut a bit of this lash because it is a little bit too long, so I'm just cutting a bit of it. But first I'm doing my eyeliner. I'm very chaotic, I'm sorry. So I'm using this liner in the set, which looks promising. Well, I don't know how well it lasts yet, but in terms of the pigment and application, it's really great. I applied the lashes, quickly did my face makeup. I was thinking of doing a black waterline, but no, I'm not sure. Okay, I'll do it. No, I won't do it. Instead, I will just do an inner corner wing. I'll be taking the same eyeliner and just do a little extension here in my inner corner. Like that. Okay, that's it for today's look. I will leave it like this. Really colorful since it's getting dark so quickly these days, and this probably gonna cheer me up. I gotta run, I'm such in a rush these days, which is making me pretty tired, but it's okay, it's gonna pass. But I'm leaving the country again soon, which keeps me going, and I'm gonna again film a vlog and post it on here, so stay tuned for that. That's all from me today. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it inspiring. I wish you an extraordinary day, and I will see you next time. Bye!